Travelers going to Azerbaijan can get their e-visa online, and it's a fairly straightforward process. The application is also done in a very user-friendly format. And to get started, you can select your preferred language. I'm going to switch it to English. And then it's going to take a second to load. And my first step is going to be clicking on Application, just right here in blue. On this page, it's going to ask me for my nationality/citizenship, my travel document, the number of entries I need. They only allow me to do a single entry, and then there's a verification code. Once I'm ready, I'm going to click Continue. But before you click Continue, just have a read through here, this yellow box that says Pay Attention before you get started. Once you're ready and you're done with this, go ahead and click Continue. On this page, you're going to select the purpose of your visit. For my visit, I'm going for tourism. So select whichever one pertains to your trip. There are a few options there. Then for the consideration period, you have standard or urgent. If you select urgent, it's going to cost you $40 more, but I just need a standard one. I'm not going there urgently. And then the validity date you can select. So if I'm going to be going in April, I'm just going to pick a day that's close to my trip. So I'm going to select a date, it's going to refresh, and it's going to show me that my visa is valid from the 23rd of April all the way to the 22nd of July. I'm happy with this. I can see here my visa is $20 and my service fee is a further $5. And so here you need to pay attention to this box. Just make sure you understand that this validity works for you. If not, you might need another visa. I would contact your local Azerbaijan embassy. But if you're just going for tourism and this works for you, you're happy with this, go ahead and click Continue. You're going to want to read through here, just make sure you understand everything. It just goes through basically what you need. Everything needs to be correct. Goes through the validity of everything. Read through, make sure you understand this, and once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on the green button at the bottom. On the next page, they want your personal information, but you'll receive this pop-up which shows you the different frequently made mistakes that they have. So read through here. If any of these apply to you, just have a look, make sure basically you fill it in correctly so your visa is not refused. If you go back, you can see an example of a travel document that they want. You can see here this one's blurry, this one's too small, and this one is much clearer. So just make sure that your travel documents meet these standards. And then once you're ready, go ahead and click OK and fill in the information. They just want your basic details. Who are you? What's your date of birth, country of birth, place of birth, further information that you should be able to answer quite confidently. They want to know where you're going to be staying in Azerbaijan, so you will need to know where you're staying. And they want a copy of your passport to be uploaded, and pay attention to the size format. And here is a question about some previous travel history. Answer this one truthfully. If you need to add another person to your visa application, you can do so by clicking here. Once you've answered all these questions truthfully and accurately, go ahead and click on Complete Application. You're then going to be asked to verify your details, read through, make sure everything is correct, double check it, even ask for a second pair of eyes if you need them. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on the green Verify button at the bottom of the screen. Once you've clicked Verify, it's going to send you to this page where it's basically saying your application has been successfully completed. However, you do need to verify your email address, so go ahead and check your inbox. I received my email very quickly, and if you don't respond to it within 8 hours, it will just delete from the system. So you need to act quick. If you can't find it in your inbox, double check your junk folder. If it really hasn't arrived, perhaps you've misspelled your email address. But once you're ready, go into your email and click the green Approve button. Once you've verified your email, you're going to see this page. It's going to open in another window. You see here you've got plastic cards issued in other countries and plastic cards issued in the Republic of Azerbaijan. My card was not issued in Azerbaijan. I'm assuming yours wasn't either. So I would click on plastic cards in other countries. Unless your card was issued in Azerbaijan, then definitely click the other one. Then once you're ready, go ahead and click on that and you'll be taken to the next page for payment. You can see here the different payment methods that they take. Fill in these details, double check that everything looks correct, and then click Approve. You'll see here they just want to basically confirm your transaction. You'll see the amount is $20 plus a $6 service fee. I did notice on the previous screen they charge you a $1 bank fee. Once you're happy with this, go ahead and click Approve. Once your payment is authorized, you'll see this here, and you'll also get a payment confirmation in your email. I will say my bank had me do this several times and I had to confirm it wasn't fraud. several times. So just be patient. If it doesn't go through the first time, just double check with your bank. So once you're ready, go ahead and click next. And then once your payment goes through, you're going to see this page and you're going to be informed within 3 working days. If you want to check the status of your Azerbaijan visa, go back to the home page and click on download. And it's going to give us some options. Do you want to do it by registration number? You're going to get that from the email verification message. If you deleted that, that's fine. They can do it by your email address and passport number, and also by your passport number. And then you click continue and it'll give you a pop-up basically saying it's being processed or whatever message they have for you. 72 business hours later, you should get an email saying that your e-visa is ready. Open that email up and there's going to be a green download button. When you click on download, it's going to take you to the Azerbaijan E-Visa website. Here on this page, you're going to be prompted again to download it, and at this time, it's actually going to download. It'll download as a PDF. And once you download it, definitely save it somewhere that you can get access to it. I always save it in my iCloud just to make sure I have it on hand in case they do want a digital copy. But I always recommend bringing some printed copies. This way you can hand over that printed copy to immigration, the airline, or whomever needs to check your visa. So really, that's it. You're going to take your visa with you to Azerbaijan and you're going to have a great time. And that's it. It's that easy.